You like that, Squeaky? Huh? You liked that, didn't you? Silly boy. Oh my gosh, you're all soaked and wet. There was a lot of water in there and you got rid of it all. Silly boy. Yeah, I see your naked legs. You're so funny. We had to put more water in there. It was completely full. It splashed all the water out. Silly boy. You need a Barbie doll bathtub is what you need, huh? Wish I could find my old one that Tiki had. Yeah, was that funny? He goes, hup, hup. Yep. He said, yep. Oh my goodness. It was filled all the way up and he splashed so much that he got rid of so much of the water. Silly boy. Wash that booty good. Wash it. You finished already? I'll put some more water in that. Wait. Don't get out. Get back in there. Okay, there's some more water. Go wash your booty. You can't be done. Are you done already? I bet you're not finished. I know you're going to want to wash your booty again. Come here. Come in here. Come on. I know you want to keep washing your booty. He's so cute. We're in the bathtub, that's why you hear that sound in the background. There he goes. I have the fan on because it has a heater. Well, it keeps the bathroom warm because we're in the bathroom in the bathtub. Whoa, he just squirted me. Okay, that was a lot of water. Sqeekers. You're enjoying that way too much. I'm completely soaked. I just got through straightening my hair. And now it's getting wavy and curly. I'm going to have to leave this fan on to keep you warm. Yeah. As soon as you're done bathing, I have to wash your cage. Want to take another bath? Huh? Huh, Sqeekers? No, don't come out. Go wash your booty. Ew, your pan's up there. See, we're in the bathroom. Oh yeah, I have my quail down here. Her feet got a little poopy on it, so we're washing it off. Okay, Sqeekers. Was that fun? Well, your hair is not cute. It is not cute if you put too much gel in your hair. No, stay there. Silly boy. Silly boy. What are you doing? Are you finished? No, stay there. You don't have any flight. You're going to fall down. I just got through clipping your wings, remember? Ew, don't walk on that. Oh, you're on the edge. You're not so blue anymore. You look kind of gray. Sqeekers. Alright. Say bye-bye to you, the two. Say bye-bye to the YouTubers.